Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie and ready for an irie, jam-packed, collective, general love reading. And we are looking into the question today, what do they tell others? So, if you haven't got a drink close by and some snacks, okay, get those ready because we're going to get into it. Guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. Welcome, T-Sippers, yeah. So I hope you've got a nice drink, a nice tea or a cup of juice to as we gather these juicy intuitive gems. So we're going to get right into it. Okay, we have the deck here. We're looking into what do they tell others about you, and are you part of the Love and Light family, the Love and Light Irie family at Wagwan Tarot? No? Well, you need to come and join the Love and Light family and gather these juicy intuitive gems. All right, so we're going to just shuffle, okay, and we're focusing on what do they tell others about you, okay? And we're just going to just get straight into it. So bringing that good energy. So thank you, universe, thank you, spirit guides, thank you, guardian angels, thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you. All right, so what do they tell others about you? What do they tell others about you? Okay, so for the collective, we have the death card, the death. So you might look and go, what? Death? But the death energy is transformational energy. Okay, now I feel like this could be more than one person coming through. It could be a crush, it could be a current love interest, and it could also be someone from the past, okay, that may want to return. Well, let's start with the past. Someone from the past that may want to return and put all, okay, that was in the past to bed so that new can come, new can rise, okay? But if it isn't someone from the past, it could be someone from your, let's say, your current energy, crush or a current love interest that has those feelings of wanting to start anew. Perhaps there could have been some awkward moments between the two of you. Okay, that feels like that's really coming through and really wanting to create a good impression. And I feel like this could be what they're telling others about you. Like it feels like for some of you, this person may feel like you have shifted something or you have created this energy of they want to drop they want to drop a particular behavior. I feel like for some it may have just been they've always been used to just doing things on their own and wants to stop that and wants to invite, okay, and bringing this energy of relationship, union, connection into their life, okay? I feel like for some of you, this person, it may have been a while, and so it's like they're adjusting, but wanting to take that time to get to know you on a deeper level, okay? And I feel like for others, or the people that they are telling, okay, I feel like there's the information that's coming through, okay, or the intuition messages that are coming through. I feel like they are sharing information of how they feel, and those that they are telling that information to are recognizing, like, yeah, I see a change. Like, you really like this person, don't you? You really like this person, don't you? And I feel like it's It's something, it's like an old pattern is being shifted, is being released here. Okay? Now they could also have some strong water energy, okay? Because the death card is very much Scorpio energy, okay? Right, so let's have a look and see what's significant at the front. Now we are currently in Virgo season. So I feel like this is a strong energy with this Virgo season being here. Perhaps this could be some energy of this person may have kind of gone in themselves. I feel like this could also be the energy of something that they know that they need to release. I feel like this could also be this energy of perhaps this person may have a tendency of going in, kind of like going in themselves, trying to seek the answers, trying to seek whether how you feel about them. And I feel like, especially this coming through in and we're looking at the question, what do they tell others about you? This is a strong, this is kind of like a strong energy right here, okay, that perhaps this person may be sharing how they feel. It could also be them sharing their insecurities and perhaps there's some worries on how they should best navigate, okay, coming towards you. Okay, I feel like there's a strong energy of wanting to come towards you, but wanting to put the best foot forward. Now there is again this energy of awkwardness, okay? I feel like for some, this person may not be really like great when it comes to dating, and I feel like this could be their worry on how do I best put put my best foot forward. How do I show Jane, we're going to call you Jane, how do I show Jane that I'm really interested in her? So I feel like they're seeking advice from others. I feel like there's the message as well, they could be looking into like relationship gurus, or trying to watch a video on YouTube, or just to kind of gather how to court. That's the message I'm getting, how to court a lady. How to court a lady. Okay? Because we have, look at this. You can't make this up. The Page of Cups. So here we have those messages that yes, they are sharing how they feel. And again, the Page of Cups reckon is coming through. It's giving us this kind of understanding of they may have like a younger, this person could be younger than you, or they could be the same age as you, but they kind of have a younger energy, or they're carrying this kind of younger, immature energy. But I feel like this is also their energy towards navigating, okay, how to put that best foot forward, okay? So I feel like there are feelings here, and we see the fish. If you can see that fish, the fish represents the energy of fertility, okay? So I feel like this is something that they want it to grow, okay? Just how we see the death card here, and the death card representing transformation. They want they want transformation. And with the hermit being here is this energy of they know that they need to transform. Okay. And but also the energy I'm getting is not staying too much into this energy of the hermit, because then it's important for us to always look for the deeper understanding, or the deeper, with the energy of the hermit, is to look for those deeper questions or answers that we need to find, okay? And go trusting our intuition to help us to kind of understand why we're seeing signs, why we're seeing synchronicities. All of these things are all about the hermit. However, we can also stay in that energy and we get too comfortable, and where then it can result to procrastination. And I feel like this is the energy that this person is being told, that it's great that you have these feelings, it's great that you want to put your best foot forward, but you've got to also bear in mind that you don't go into a habit of procrastination, or overthinking, that it then becomes you can't make a true decision, okay? And I feel like there's a strong energy here when it comes to this person. They may result to, or have done so in the past, is overthink to the point that they struggle when it comes to making a decision or coming forward and saying how they truly feel. Okay, and that's what we're exploring today. So we're going to have a look in the middle and see what wants to pop through in the middle. Okay, so this is just a general collective tarot reading. Okay, we're pulling all those messages that from the pick a card readings and create these kind of more unique, okay, tarot readings. Okay, so let's have a look. Look at this. The high priestess is here. So the high priestess is here to remind us that, yeah, you know, if you've been getting those kind of like inklings, or your intuition has been kind of like kicking off or telling you, you know, yeah, you know, something is telling me this is what's going on, then you are absolutely on the ball. You are absolutely on the ball. Okay? They're definitely having these feelings, and they're definitely, and I feel like for some of you, the energy that's coming through is that this energy of awkwardness that you may sense is that they are attracted to you, but don't know how to come forward and express themselves. So let's have a look at the chakras now. Let's pull out the chakras and let's see what's coming through. Okay, let us know what you're sipping on today. I've got some water. Okay, so voice is a little bit graspy today, but you know, bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, so I'm gonna just take a quick sip. Mm-mm-mm. Right, so we have some chakra colors. So we're just gonna have a look. Oh, take that out. We're just gonna have a quick look and see what messages or what energy wants to come through when it regards to their chakras. Okay, so we're looking into what do they tell others about you, what chakras are being impacted at this time, and this is regarding the person on your mind. Okay, and we're also going to look into their higher self, essentially, because we're looking into their higher self by looking into the chakras. So let's have a look and see what is being impacted at this time. Reveal the chakras that are being impacted at this time. Okay. Ooh, ooh, one just fell on the floor, and it is the heart chakra. It's the heart chakra, so I'm just gonna get it. Okay, there's a lot of energy here. Okay, with the heart chakra being here. Ooh, yes, we've got it. Right, so look at this. It's the heart chakra. Okay, so yes, there is definitely, when it comes to their feelings and expressing how they truly feel, this is something that they may have struggled with. And I feel like it's not just with you, it's just in general, them expressing themselves on a deeper level has always been something that they've struggled with. Okay, and I feel like this is the strong reason why the death card says you gotta stop this, you gotta stop that, because darling, honey, okay, yes, and you know that this is a little trinklet of messages of intuitive gems that Auntie Self Love wants to come through. So let's bring Auntie Self Love. Come on in, come on in, come on in, Auntie Self Love, darling, honey, you have to stop this self-sabotaging, because you want to bring in love. You want to bring in love into your life. If you want to bring love into your life, you have to stop this self-sabotaging. You see this death card here? This death card here is to remind you to stop it. To stop it. Stop, sit and dwell. Look at this. Stop sitting and dwelling and watching. You have to take action. Okay, action. All right. Remember what I say. All right. Thank you, self love. Thank you, Auntie Self Love. It's all right, darling. Honey. Okay. So what anti self-love simply says is you have to, this person, okay, and it again, this message can apply to all of us. We have to stop this self-sabotaging behavior. This person wants to generate, wants to bring in love into their life. However, when an opportunity arises, they block themselves. And this is the message that they have to stop this. They have to stop it, because if you want to bring something in, there has to be an energy of embracing it. Even if it feels nervous and you might feel like you want to go back to your comfort zone with the hermit, okay, you might want to go into that place where you're trying to understand why you keep doing that. The idea is you have to go and face that fear. You have to face that, because by not facing it and trying to stay in your comfort zone is what is keeping you back, back, and back. And the message is here, and we see the high priestess. Look, we've got to stop doing that. Look what's behind the high priestess is the Eight of Cups. So this is an energy that this person has been doing for a while. They've been doing this, and it's a self-sabotaging energy, walking away from something, okay? Walking away. The song that's coming through is David Ruffin, Walking Away. I also love the reggae version completed by Bitty McLean. And the lyric that's really coming through right now is, so I'm leaving, yes I am. This time I'm playing smart. I'm gonna walk away from love, walk away from love. Okay, so this person, I feel like, has been doing this, walking away. So let's have a look and understanding why they've been doing it. Because I look at what's here. The Nine of Cups. The Nine of Cups. We have the Eight of Cups, the Nine of Cups. They've got to build this. They've got to build this confidence, this energy, this self-esteem. Because once they build that confidence and energy and self-esteem, it will bring them to this energy here. The Emperor. The Emperor. Okay? Which is all about being secure in themselves, stability. Okay? So, before we do have a look into why have they been doing this to themselves, okay? And I feel like the messages that they may be receiving from others is like, yeah, you need to stop doing this, because you've had so many really great love connections, and you've been holding yourself back. You've got to stop doing it. Okay, so let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb and see what message wants to come through. So reveal the Jamaican proverb the collective need to see right now on this general love reading. On what do they tell others about you? Okay, so it's any kind of like themes that we pick, that we gather, any themes that we've noticed being heavily playing throughout the pick a card readings, and we just kind of dive in. These are kind of like diving sessions, okay? Ooh, thank you. So we have here, look at this. See me, to see me and live with me are two different sing ting. So to see me and live with me are two different sing ting. That just means sing ting means something. To see me and live with me are two different things, are two different things. Okay? So things are not always what they seem. Be aware. Take time to know thy person, thyself. And I feel like there's a strong energy of taking that time to understand this person. And as we can see already from just kind of like scratching the surface, we can see that this person may have when it comes to expressing love and really navigating through that heart chakra, they may struggle. Okay, so we are gonna just have a look into some more messages, okay, from this person, okay, that's really coming through, whether it's a crush, a current love interest, okay, a soulmate, a twin flame, okay, a karmic. It could be, just anybody. This person that's coming through, we're just gonna have a just pulling out the cards, just see what messages want to come through. So we are gonna now have a look at their divine masculine energy. So we're gonna have a look, okay, using this deck. Okay, it's got messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, things that they want to kind of give you as clues to help you to know who they are, okay, whether it's hobbies and interests, whether it's physical characteristics, okay. So we're gonna just let the messages flow, okay. All right, so we may sing our little shuffle baby song because it's a really good way to just let the energy flow. So whether this is the person in your mind, okay, current love interest, a crush, this could be anyone. Reveal the messages they want the collective to know right now at this very moment. What do they tell others about you? Okay. Okay, let's sing our little song. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Ooh, look at these messages just really flowing. Right, keep flowing. Flow, flow, flow. Flow like a river. Flow like a river. Flow like a river. Reveal the messages from your heart. What do you tell others about? What do they tell others about you? But we're also looking into why you've been holding back. Okay, another song that's coming through is Holding Back the Years by Simply Red. I keep holding on. I keep holding on. So yes, so perhaps keep holding on to things that they need to let go of, and why we see the death. Okay, last shuffle, last shuffle. Thank you. Now just have a quick look, see if there's any that flipped over that have any significant messages. Okay. Yep, there's one flipped. Right, thank you. So let's have a look at all of these messages. We're gathering all of the intuitive gems. Okay, all of the intuitive gems that they want you to know at this very moment. What do they tell others about you? But more importantly, we're understanding what's going on with the heart chakra. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay. Which I love about this is as well, because it's a bit like, call it like tarot freestyling. Okay, tarot freestyling. All right. So we have cooking. Okay, cooking and culinary. So they could be a foodie. They're giving you a clue here. This could be something that you've talked about in the past, okay, or had shared some kind of like commonality or interest around food. We have the divine masculine to the divine feminine, okay? Your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person, okay? Infectious laughter. Now, I feel like perhaps this person has a tendency of making you laugh, okay? Or when you both are having like a comical moment, that the laughter can be very infectious, okay? We have, I wish I could express how much you mean to me. Avid food, avid sports fan and Pacific team. Okay, avid sports fan and Pacific team. So we have foodie lover and enjoys trying new foods and eating out. Eating out. We have tech savvy and into gadgets. Into gadgets. Another clues. We have I value your opinions and insights more than you realize. We have muscular build. Muscular build. Ooh la la. We have distinctive tattoos. We have book avid worm room. So bookworm reader. So bookworm avid reader. Okay. Confident stride. Confident stride. Now this could be the confident stride that they I feel like for some of you this person may try to do that because it's all about impression counts, you know, and we all do this, you know, if we're feeling somebody and we are attracted to this person is attracted to us, it's all about putting that best foot forward. Look at what's going on with the Page of Cups. Putting that best foot forward. You see that foot? Okay, look at that foot. Trying to put that best foot forward. Okay, I'm getting this energy of hi. Hi Jane, how are you doing today? Oh yes. Oh, I bought you know, I was just in the shop earlier. I was just going around in the local market, and I just saw these flowers and I just thought of you, you know? You're like, oh my gosh, thank you. Infectious laughter indeed, okay? We have you're the missing piece that completes the puzzle of my life. Music lover with a diverse taste. So this could be something that they have, like a variety of music that they like. Okay. Could also be that this person is very cultured or they like to learn about different cultures as well. Look at this, it's come through. I sabotaged the relationship and I regret it. They sabotage. And I feel like this could be what they're telling others and saying that, you know, this is how I feel. And I feel like who they're telling are giving advice, like really good advice, like you got to stop this. Like I'm getting like, come on, John. Let's call this person John, okay? Come on, John. You got to stop this. You got to stop this. You got to stop this, and you've got to get to the root of why you keep doing that. You've got to stop it. Whether it's you overthinking, whether it's you feeling like you're not good enough, you got to stop it. Okay? You got to stop it. Your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. Calm and comfort. I cherish the moments we spend together. They are the highlights of my day. A chiseled jawline. Chiseled jawline. I can't help but feel a sense of protectiveness towards you. Okay? And I feel like, again, when they're telling others about how they feel, I feel like whether it's their peers, their friends, their family are recognizing that it's like, oh, you're really into this person, aren't you? You're really into this person. Expressive eyebrows. Look, we have the DM to the DF who's come back again. I want this love to work just like you do. Just like you do. They want it to work. Piercing gaze. Piercing gaze. Now, we're just going to let you sit in your intuition, and whether it's a love interest, a crush, someone from like maybe a recent separation, okay, who's kind of like really bringing this energy in, okay, for you. Let that name come through for the collective. Let that name come through. Let that name come through. I am amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. Okay. We have fashion forward slash trendy. So this person can be very trendy, or they could be a good dresser. We could see that with the Page of Cups. Okay, they could be a very good dresser. Okay, very handsome. Look at the features. Look at the features. Quite muscular. Okay. And it again, this love interest could come from all walks of life, from all different cultures, different backgrounds, different ethnicities, okay, from different parts of around the world, okay, because all of our Wagwan Tarot Antique Collective are from all around the world. So this could be anyone, anyone, darling. So I feel a spark every time we touch. It's hard to ignore. Every time we touch, it's hard to ignore. This makes me feel like I'm in a 90s video. Okay. Every time we touch, it's hard to ignore. Every time we touch, it's hard to ignore. Okay. Ooh la la. I do wonder if I am good. You see, this person is overdoing it with the thinking. But you see how we have the hermit. They gotta stop. They gotta stop. I feel like perhaps this person could be very reflective. Okay, but this is where their reflective energy holds them back. Okay. The thought of being with you is something that I have the thought of being without you, okay, is something that I have worried about. Yes, we see these worries here. Okay, we have tall stature, so they could be very tall. Okay, or there could be something about them that appears very tall. Okay. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. So let's have a look now in what they need to release. Okay, we're gonna just pull out the surrender cards, okay, and have a look and see what needs to be released. Okay. So what do they tell others? So we know that um we can see that they are telling others how they feel, that they have a connection and they really want to explore it. However, we can see that when it comes to their heart energy, though their heart chakra and the ability to express themselves comfortably, okay, this is something that they struggle with, okay. So for the collective, okay, what just to help them to understand what's going on with this person, what do they need to release? What do they need to release? What do they need to release? So they can feel very comfortable in expressing how they truly feel. Okay, what do they need to release? So let the messages flow like a river. Okay, we're gonna put a little shuffle baby into the energy. Shuffle baby, shuffle baby. Thank you, thank you. So we have surrender the drama, surrender the yes. They're gonna let go. They're creating unnecessary drama for themselves. Okay, no matter how emotionally charged the situation, remain calm and don't contribute to the drama. Staying centered will help resolve the issue more quickly. So they're gonna stop this. They're gonna stop. Look what we have here. This is kind of almost giving the energy as well of the hermit. Okay, perhaps they keep always overthinking, always trying to think, oh, I'm really into this person. However, can I handle this? Can I do this? It's like they create this unnecessary drama and they need to let go of it. They need to stop it. Okay. I'm also getting the message that perhaps they need to also be mindful of who they share the information with. Okay, I feel like there's a message that there are good, there are people who are giving them good advice, but there could also be those who may be kind of envious as well and may try to kind of keep them, or if it's convenient to that for them to say, well, if you don't really, if that's how you feel, then rather than saying no, we need to come out of it, okay? And that really came up with the this message of the drama. So let's clarify with the good karma, okay? I'll have a look and see what message wants to come out for the collective. What do they tell others about you, okay? Ooh, thank you. Look at this. So this is a very this with the 7 of Wands. The 7 represents the energy of contemplation. So we already know it's this contemplation back and forth. Okay, back and forth. With the gravel pit. Hey, a little bit of Wu-Tang there. Okay, but it's this 7 Wands energy of like It's like they're holding back. Now another song is coming through. That's channeling a lot of songs today. We've got Beres Hammond, no holding back. 100% my 100% my give my love tonight. I could give some more. This is what they need to do. They need to give some more. Wow, now even the electricity, I'm starting to hear a little sound here saying yes, this is what they need to do. They need to fight this feeling like they have to defend their heart. Look at what's going on with the wands here. Do you see where it's covering? It's covering their heart chakra. Now I feel like this could be due to this kind of like a deep fear of being hurt. So it's almost like giving so much to protect their heart, okay? To protect their heart. And I feel like this person needs to kind of stop this energy because I feel like this is what's holding them back. So what I'm going to do, just looking quickly for the inner child cards, because it's the message that I'm getting is have a look at the inner child cards. So we've got the inner child cards here. Okay, yep, we got the inner child cards, and we're gonna have a look and see where's this coming from, why they feel like this overprotectiveness to protect themselves, but also kind of giving as much as maybe they feel comfortably with. But it's also this kind of fear of maybe drama or all this kind of thing. What? Let us know what was going on with their inner child. Okay, let's have a look. So I've just put a bit of energy onto these. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Thank you. Right, so we have the energy of faith. The energy of faith is here. Okay, look at that. And look, what is this energy of faith telling you? Okay, looking at these messages. What intuitive messages are coming through for you? Because the messages that's really coming through is, and seeing how this is like a child on top of the world. Okay, I feel like the messages are this person had may have had their heart broken when they were young. Okay, maybe dreams, things that they believed in, and it's like they have to get back into that confidence, get back into believing themselves. We saw the 9 of Cups earlier, and it is like a strong energy of really tapping into that energy of believing in yourself. Okay, another song that's coming through. This, I feel like, again, we did see this person has a diverse music taste, so I feel like it could be why there's lots of songs are coming through. We have Mariah Carey and Whitney. There can be miracles. There can be miracles when you believe. All hope is frail. It's hard to kill. It's hard to kill. This person needs to come back to this. Believing. I feel like perhaps they may have got into this energy of feeling like love wasn't for them. As much as they may have the desire, the true passion, they just may have felt like from past experiences it didn't work out, or they may have seen it didn't work out in their own family lives or their parents, and it's kind of dampened their energy on believing that it's something that they deserve. And we all deserve love, okay? And I feel like this person really needs to reconnect to that. So we have the message here: faith and trust work in harmony together, both positive inner workings. Right, rewind. Just need to go back and see where I was reading from. Okay, let's read it from here so you can see. Faith and trust work in harmony together, both positive inner knowings from the heart. Each enhances and expands the other. The full vibration of faith, okay, within our hearts help us to trust in life. This is it, to trust in life. Okay, so in the universe and also in ourselves. So this positive energy helps us to ride the storms of life with the knowing that all shall be well, and that the Mother, Father, God never gives us anything that we cannot really handle. Ooh, wait! Given the support and love from the higher realms. I am sacred, the affirmation. I am sacred. I am sacred, faith held within my heart, my mind, and I trust in life. I trust in life. I trust in life. Okay, and I feel like that's the core message. I trust in life. I trust in life. I trust in life. And I feel like this is we're just going to send that energy to this person, okay? Just to trust in life. Trust in life, and be confident with your decision making. Be confident with opening up yourself to embrace the things that you truly want and desire for yourselves. Okay, because if we are blocking ourselves or holding ourselves, we're not letting anything good, we're not letting anything bad come through, and that's amazing, but we're not allowing anything good to come in. And this is a reminder to allow this. Okay, just going to bring in some angelic energy as well to close the read. Okay. Woo wee. Let's bring in some angelic energy to close the read. So, what do they tell others about you? We gathered a good understanding that they've shared how they feel, their insecurities, their worries, recognizing that they have sabotaged their behavior. We've looked into their higher self, seeing what kind of clues they have given you to help you to recognize who they are. And we've also recognizing that there's a pattern that this person may have experienced, maybe from their inner child, okay, and that has then impacted their energy towards sharing love. Okay, I feel like this person has a lot of love to give, but again, they take their steps, and those steps could be so small that it's almost like they never took a step at all. Okay, so we're gonna just bring in this angelic energy just to close the read. So, what do they tell others about you? And what message does the collective need to know right now? What angel energy wants to come through? We have quite a few. Okay, we'll do another shuffle, but we have the sun. The sun. Now, this is the energy of the sun, also represents the energy of the inner child. Okay, so Angel Kayetel, the sun, and this is the energy of like illuminating your heart, so that it's removing all the blockages, so that you can be at peace, you can be at great comfort to share and express your love and feel. We have the sacred power, around here. Feel no way about it, because you are deserving of love. You are deserving of unconditional love. And we are healing that inner child today. So you are embracing, you are loving the feel of love. Okay? Now I'm just going to have a look and see what other message wants to come through from the angels. Yes, thank you. We have Archangel Saphiel. Experience. Yes, this is always going back to trust in life. Trust in life, being confident, learning. Life has its ups, its downs, it has its cycles. But through that experience, we take the good, okay, we leave the bad, and we put the bad to rest, like the death card being here, okay, but not carrying that and letting it hinder us. And I feel like this is the key message here for the collective, okay? Now, I did say we're going to close the read, but I'm getting this message to have a look, as we are now looking and understanding what needs to be kind of brushed aside. Let's have a look at their feelings now. Once they kind of like just getting that confidence of illuminating everything is being now illuminated around them. Reveal a feeling, reveal a true feeling or a hidden feeling from this person. Reveal a hidden feeling. Okay, it could be one or two. One has fallen. Can we have another couple more, please? Thank you. Yes. Oh, yes. Look at that. Thank you. We have this one that flew away. You were my everything, and now you're gone. You were my everything, and now you're gone. Look at this. I'm trying to be better for you. I am trying to be better for you. And these are hidden feelings now. You are all I have ever wanted. You are all I have ever wanted. So we're going to leave it here. Take the messages that resonate. And you know what we like to do around here? Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means it's just Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay irie, stay blessed. Okay? Keep sipping, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay? Gwan.